Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about hair care. This is what my hair looks like if I haven't applied any mask or oil treatment prior or during my shower. So here is my super quick and effective protein hair mask for silky smooth hair. This hair mask left my hair super soft, moisturized and healthy. All you need are just these few ingredients. I'm using coconut cream, so I did refrigerate this one since we need it nice and thick. I am going in with 6 teaspoons of coconut cream. You can also go in with coconut milk, but I prefer using coconut cream just because of the consistency and it makes it a little easier to apply it on. Then I went in and added a teaspoon of castor oil, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, mixing all of these together, and I'm going to refrigerate this before applying it on. I will refrigerate this for around 5 minutes. So before you apply this mask on, it's really important to quickly brush your hair. So I'm brushing out my hair so there's no knot when I apply this hair mask on. I'm going to start by applying on my scalp with a hair dye brush. It's a little easier this way, so I'm going to go ahead and do my scalp first. I chose these two specific oils because castor oil helps to thicken the hair and olive oil is going to condition the hair strands, since this is a protein based hair mask which can leave your hair feeling dry, so that's why we are going to be using olive oil. Honestly, you can use any hair oil of your choice or that suits your hair. Personally, I love using castor oil, coconut oil or olive oil for my hair. It strengthens my hair and leaves my hair feeling healthy. Now I'm using my hands and applying this all over my hair, making sure every strand is covered with this hair mask. Coconut cream is rich in proteins, nutrients, which is so great for your hair. It helps repair damaged hair as well as strengthens the hair from the root, which in turn helps with hair fall. Sometimes I like to go ahead and add in an egg or aloe vera. It really depends what I feel like applying. All of these work great as well. Once I have it all on my hair, I like to give myself a little massage. You will feel your hair stiff though because it's a protein based hair mask. Then I like to wrap my hair in a towel and leave it on for 4 to 5 hours. I think I'm going to leave this on for 4 hours. This is going to help the mask to penetrate much deeper, and I'm going to be putting an alarm for the same. Now that time's up, I'm going to wash this hair mask off, shampoo and condition it like I normally would. Also, please make sure that you are really taking the time to scrub your hair while shampooing, or else your hair is going to feel so oily once you are done with your shower. So just make sure to really cleanse it well. I will scrunch my hair to remove any excess water and apply my conditioner on so that the conditioner stays on, and I'll leave it on for at least 3 minutes. I'm going to brush out my hair and dry it out. This hair mask definitely left my hair so soft. I can't even explain how soft this hair mask leaves my hair every time I use it. It's so soft and manageable. It's a great protein mask for summers that helps hair follicles and for silky smooth hair. Honestly, there are so many benefits using this hair mask. The one thing I really love about this hair mask is how soft and healthy my hair feels. It moisturizes, and this coconut cream hair mask has tons of benefits. I use this hair mask at least once a month to keep my hair soft, shiny and healthy. You will definitely feel your hair soft after one single use. My hair was so soft and shiny. This is my absolute favorite hair mask to use at least once a month. It promotes scalp health, which in turn promotes hair growth, which is amazing. I definitely recommend you to give this one a try, and I hope this video was helpful and that you did enjoy it. If you did, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.